These are at the tassel caps that we now sell. They have a little swivel snap hook on the end that you can snap onto a zipper pull or a D-ring or whatever you want to hang your tassel off, just to add a bit of bling to your bag. And I'm going to show you how to make this now. So the tassel comes as the cap, which is automatically assembled with the swivel snap hook, and a screw. So you'll also need a screwdriver and some, this is a piece of vinyl. You can also use leather or you can use cork fabric. So this is a piece of vinyl, and I've cut it to 3.5 inches wide by 3 inches tall, or 9 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. And then on the back, we're just going to mark it. I'm using an air erasable pen, so this will just disappear, so you won't see it once it dries and clears. So I'm just marking 1/2 inch at the top, and I'm doing 1/2 inch tassels. I mean 1/4 inch, but you can do whatever size you wish. So I'm just going to mark each of these lines, and I'm going to then cut on each of these lines. And then you just need some scissors, some sharp scissors, and we'll just trim on each of those lines I've marked up to the 1/2 inch line. And then we'll make our little tassel. It doesn't matter if they're not exact as well. You won't really notice once the tassel is made. And then we're just simply going to roll that quite tight. It is a snug fit because we don't want it to come out. And then just push that into the tassel cap. And we want it to go all the way in. It should be close to where you've started cutting. And then there is a little hole here that the screw goes in. You can use an awl if you can't get it started. I'm going to give it a go. Actually, no, I'm going to use my awl, which has happily been passed over to me. So you just push the awl through the hole, and then that'll make it a bit easier to get the screw started. And then you need a fine, I think this is a Phillips head 00 size. And that will go all the way in till it's flush with the edge of the cap there. And then you can leave it like that, but if you want to hide the screw, we can put a piece of vinyl over like this. So to cover this with a piece of vinyl, you need to cut a really tiny piece of vinyl. So this is actually 3/8 of an inch wide, or 1 centimeter, and it is 1 11/16 long, which is about 4.2 centimeters. And we're going to put some glue on it. This is E6000, which is designed to glue metal and fabric together. It's used for jewelry making. It's a very heavy duty glue, so it needs about 3 days to fully cure, but it should hold after about 10 minutes of gluing. Just don't move it around too much. Okay, now that we've got that on there, we're just going to start it. Push it around. I've actually made a bit of a mess of it today, but it's always harder when you're filming. I've got some washi tape here. I'm just going to wrap the washi tape around it and let that sit until it has set, and then I'll take the washi tape off, and then once that's glued, it won't come apart, your screw won't come out, and you'll have a really secure tassel that you can hang off your bag for a bit of bling.